One of the things we don't do is we don't roll the dice. When we walk into a courtroom and we're going to try a case, we have focus group that case ad nauseum. We have run that case through big data, which is hundreds on hundreds of focus group participants and people that represent the jury pool. The last thing I'm going to do, or anybody that's a part of this firm is going to do, is walk into a courtroom and guess and hope that it's going to be our day. And so we find out what and if there are problems with the case, we identify them, we work through them. But when we go into trial and we're going to sit down and select a jury, we are ready to go to the distance. Now, that's a different analysis than is it worth settling, right? Because at the end of the day, we represent clients and we represent real people. And if the settlement number is enough to compensate people or families for their loss, and they ultimately make the decision of, I want this to end now, this is good, then we have to do what's right by our clients, which is settle the case. But if they, as some cases are, constantly ignored and never given an offer, I mean, what do you do when you're injured and you've had surgery to your neck or your back, and they've never offered you anything, or they've denied the claim and said, well, we don't think what our driver did was wrong? And you have no other course of action but to go into the courtroom and seek justice for your client.